Folks, good morning. We're off a Magnet Man again. Come out for another dip. Same location, different bridge. Lovely little bridge this. Nice low wall at top as well for people to hike stuff over. People have been here before. There's a bicycle there and there's a shopping trolley at the other side. So I'm going to click in here, folks, see what I can pull out. Let's hope we can get some treats out there, folks. Beautiful little location again, if I don't mind saying so myself. We've got some duckies. Quite nice round here. Judging by them beams up there. I don't know if you can see them. See beams? My treats will be at that side, judging by them. But, like I say, I'm going to get in, folks. See what I get out. Some jewellery boxes just here. You just see them down there. So I'm hoping somebody's chucked a big full safe in of jewels. I wish. Right, folks. See you soon. A little pedal, folks. There we go, we're on bikes again. Never a manky one. Just need coffee now, folks. Got another basher, folks, and I think that's clamped down there. Oh, penny. Bloody hell, is it attached to a car? There we go, folks. UVLA. And there's the yellow. Cool. What's that say? Do not remove or damage this clamp. Ha ha. Got another basher, folks, and I think that's clamped down there. Oh, penny. Bloody hell, is it attached to a car? There we go, folks. UVLA. And there's the yellow. Cool. What's that say? Do not remove or damage this clamp. Ha ha. Lovely little boat's been through just to stir it up for me. Cheers, guys. Let's get it in there. Yeah, got one of them. Cool. As always, rubbish. Because you'll bring my bags out, innit, guys? few big bits out there, folks, but I'm going to have to tease them out because I can't put my grapple in because I won't get it back. There's nowhere to winch on around here, I'm afraid. Trees are all behind the wall. I don't think there's out other side either. If I get stuck, I'll probably have to go on top of the bridge and winch upwards. But like I say, a couple of bits down here, so I can tease them out there. Some kind of electric box. It's probably got a transformer inside. I missed it. Oh, it's a phone box, guys. I haven't had a bloody phone box before. Boxes off of them, yeah. Phone boxes, no. A load of rubbish. Right, if I just go down there. Just got to be careful here, folks. It's really slippy on your foot. Oh, what's that? Put that back out. Nice. Ooh, back in again. I thought that was a wire. Got it this time. Full telephone box, guys. Get in there. Wait. It's even got a receiver on it. Hello? Hello? 118, 118. Yes. Guess what's inside the cash box, guys? Mud. Lots of mud. Let's just knock it out here so it can go straight back in the water. There we go. Full payphone, have that. A crowbar there, folks. Right, folks, just pulled a few bits out. Just check my lens is clean. Yeah, just about. I've got a couple of these out. There's a brass one by the look of it. Lead one with funny pattern on. Same sides. And a few beads and stuff. But there's a big treat there, and I've just pulled it to this side. So I'm going to move to that side. I'm going to try and get it round and get it out, but I'm going to need winch, folks, because it's massive and I'm on my own. I have realised there is winchable stuff at that side, so I'm going that side. I'm going to drag it round that way and see if I can get it out. Wish me luck, folks. Those folks, it's mission impossible. I've got to... I'm sure that's part of a quad. Let's try and... Oh, it fucking empties car seats. Shit. Yeah, you can fucking stay there then. That, folks, is what we're here when I come. Look at it, crap hole. Yeah, somebody's been magnet fishing. They possibly had a safe out by the look of that, because there's loads of Peter's Jewellers, established 1983, wherever Peter lives. Well, I'll take that rubbish home, but I ain't taking the trolley. Nice little handful there, folks. I've got a screw belt for a screw machine and a lovely 21 silver line spanner. There we go, folks. Keys there, folks. That, folks, is the biggest key I've ever seen in my life. What it's key for, I don't know. There we go, folks, we've got another clamp there, funny shaped one. Beast recovery, folks. Stuck on that char, I can't even get it out, guys, so I'm gonna have to try to ping the magnet off it with this, because that's just a nightmare. It's absolutely covered in foam. I just cannot lift it no matter what. I'm on my own, so that's it. I'm just gonna... Oh, I can see it magnet moving already. There we go. It just needs to ping it. That's it, I think the magnet's off. Yeah. Jesus Christ almighty, that is one heavy bitch. I can't get that out on my own, folks, sorry. Now then, folks, is that a portal or a porthole? I don't know. Comments below. Well, look at that, folks. That is a homemade grapple. Go to Boat World, folks. Don't make pap like this. Go to Boat World, buy the 1.5 kilo grapple. You won't regret it. £10 postage and packing. See you all soon. And the pink scooter, folks. You're a rider. Have a go. It is, it's a rider, folks. Oh, it's a bit dodgy with steering. It's still a rider. Wow, folks, new bit for Bert. Have that. Come to daddy. What, you off, mate? Will that go in my car? I hope so. Let's get all crap out of it. Cool. Car door. Uber. Thanks, whichever lazy git left all that crap there. I've put it in my bag, because it's not hard. But look, folks, doesn't that look better? Except for these two bits up here that I'm just going to grab as I turn video off. See you all soon, folks. Moving on a bit. Right, folks, canal spotless. I removed all the rubbish from that bridge, both sides, scrapped the lot, everything gone, clean path, scraps through here. Just going to take it down that car. There we go, bit there, bit down there. I'm going to move on to another bridge. See you all soon. Right, folks, just this baby to get in my car. This is going in first. Might be easier. There we go, folks. Now that's how your magnet fish chappers and chapesses. That will all go in my car, guarantee it. If not, I'll smash that up. Hey folks, moved out a new bridge. Just looking for the number so I don't show you it. Lovely little stretch on there, innit? Look at that. So I'm going to get in here, have a look about first, see if I can spot out. Yeah, plenty of crap again. Bottom looks orange here. Well, we'll click in anyway, folks, see how we get on. There's today's second bridge. All that stuff's in Bert. Guess what? That car door's in Bert. See you all soon, folks. Dirty spoon there, folks. Muck hooks. Guys, I've just found a Ford steering wheel and look, it's a rider! Dirty spoon there, folks. Muck hooks. Jesus. There we go, folks. Got a little iron. First electric type by the look of it. Oops. There goes the handle. There we go, folks. Right guys, Bradford Magnet Man back in Bradford again, in his back garden, with his payphone that he found whilst out. Got an emergency at the canal bank. Find a phone, ring 999. I got this out, it's aluminium, that, and this bit are all alley, with a metal spike in it. A few bits of rubbish, quite a few bits of bar here. And then these, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wheel clamps, DVLA, whoever else they are. What I'm going to do before I go to the scrap man is take off that and that, and I'm going to keep the chains for locking up my garden furniture because it's a lovely area where I live. Right guys, smashed it. Look at that car door. Yeah, in the canal. I don't know what type of car door it is. I will try and identify it by checking the lock off and having a look at the plastic works on the back of it to see if it's marked up in any way. Then we've got some kind of lock mechanism. 2000, oh no, it's 2D03, not 2003. So I'm gonna, I don't know what that's off, but yep. Then we have the longest key ever. I don't know what it's off, but it's some kind of key, probably for underground, maybe water maintenance or something. Then look at this baby. That is an old rally chopper seat. Who had a rally chopper, folks? I had one. I smashed it up, did a jump, nearly died. We've got a little kiddie's bike here. Daisy's bike, actually. Green scooter. Look at that. I've never seen a scooter designed like that before. That's really weird, is that? But quite an old one, I think, folks. Then we have a Max small child's mountain bike. Then I found that. It's from a Yamaha. I don't know what Yamaha, maybe somebody else recognises it. Still got the petrol tap down at the bottom. It's quite manked, actually. But yeah, I pulled that out as well, folks, along with a Ford steering wheel. I don't know what it's off. I will try and identify that too, because that's a little cracker. About 6-7 scaffolding clips, loads of different bits of scrap and stuff. A couple of portholes for summer. Drain, that's off of the underground bit. E-bike, we smashed it, folks, again. A few more bits of rubbish, and that's got copper inside it. It's some kind of transformer, I think. Now, I pulled that out. I don't know what it's off, folks. Can anyone give me an idea? Comment below if you will, please. Oh, coffee there. Let's have a slurp. Nice little hook here. The plate. Biggest eyeball I've seen. And what on earth is that for? I know it's some kind of locking pin. Yeah, it's quite big than that, folks. I'm quite impressed with that. I don't know what that is, but I just thought I'd put it on the table and show you. That again, some kind of... Do we tighten this to force something out the other side like you would with a bicycle chain splitter? Then how big is that? 2 foot nearly. 2 foot SSD drill bit. I've got a massive drill, folks. I'm keeping that. We've got a the old manky tin cup, spanner and screwdriver, sock. Yeah. A user spoon, shall we say. Then we go over to the Nokia that I found, little basher, no on back, no SIM card. Then we got a NatWest calculator, large eyebolt again, 21mm spanner, keys, little bits of plastic jewellery, dog light. Keep getting these, guys. They're obviously some Asian jewellery thing, whatever you want to call them. And then look at that, folks. That's how much cash I found in my sock. A sock full of cash. Get in there. And finally, look at my little old iron. This must just about date when electric irons came out, because if you have a look, the wire comes out of it, and it used to go from there and lead up. So yeah, nice little finds again. Quite a bit of fun. I love what I do. I love cleaning up. Take care, folks. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and buy us a coffee. See you later, guys. Have a good one.